Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your topic to something manageable, 2 to 3 events or a 20-year span. Once done, collect at least 5 primary and 8 secondary sources. Make quick notes about where each source lives. Next, write a 1-page research question plus 3 sub-questions that will guide your argument. Do this now so every subsequent choice supports evidence and structure. This prevents wasted time later and gives you a clear thesis to build your project around. You now assemble evidence and shape the argument. Start by making evidence boxes for each claim: a short claim, a supporting quote, and a full citation. Once done, turn those boxes into a 6-8 slide outline or a 500-word draft that maps introduction, body, and conclusion. Make sure to include a timeline and pick 3 visuals: a map, a photo, and a primary document that directly back your claims. This step binds sources to structure, so your narrative stays. You finish by writing a tight introduction with thesis and significance, then a conclusion that gives a 1-line takeaway. Next, format the bibliography in MLA or Chicago style, alphabetize entries, and confirm each citation matches your notes. Once done, create final slides and rehearse aloud for 5 minutes, timing the presentation to 8 to 10 minutes. If visuals or citations disappear, check file versions and convert problematic images to PNG. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes broken imports.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.